Hello Dave, I wanted to show you the turbo color. Case looks to be in really good condition and it does power up. There's a nice keyboard, mouse, got the sound box, and then when it tries to boot, it looks like there's an issue with the drive unless it works this time. No, so there's an issue with the drive. I'm not sure if the OS is on this. It was giving me some exception errors, but I configured the BIOS and I think I may have that solved. So I'll get in and clear out the dust bunnies. We'll replace the caps, and then the SCSI-2 SD should clear up the boot issues. So yeah, overall, I mean, the sound box is in good shape. Sorry, I'm kind of filming in the dark here. About ready to go to bed. So that's a preliminary look at the turbo color. Everything looks to be in good shape. Okay, have a good one.